what race car driver do you see right now that draws your attention a lot than less? In other words, every time, who do you find going, that guy's a good driver?
Like a young kid coming up?
Just
Or
anything. You give
uh,
me, it could be 6'10" drivers. Just
yeah.
give me some names.
Well, I think for me personally, I think the next like young kid who's up and coming is definitely Corey Day. I don't see anybody even
Corey Day.
yeah, I don't see anybody even close to his level. And he's still in high school. So,
I've never even heard of him. Tell me about him.
oh, I mean, he's basically me. Like
That's awesome.
he's he's I mean, he's better than I am, or I was, obviously, at that age. I mean, he's in a lot better rides than I was at that age, but still, like his racecraft, his maturity on the track, off the track, like all of that, he's really, really good, and he can run harder than anybody on the racetrack and be in control. So he's definitely the next kid coming up that probably will make it.
What's he race? What is it?
He
Open
races
wheel?
wing sprint cars.
Oh,
So
I'll be
yeah,
darned.
yeah. He won an outlaw race. He won the Gold Cup this year at Chico. He won an outlaw race. He'll be running with us on our high limit series. So I'm excited about that because the race fans are going to get to see some new young kid come up. That's probably going to make it someday. So yeah, he's that guy.